Hi everyone, my name is Jason, and today we're going to go through this Harbor Freight folding camping table. Yeah, Harbor Freight does carry some different type of camping gear. So go through it, go to the website, and we'll demonstrate it. But right now, let's jump over to the Harbor Freight website and we're going to take a look at this. All right, so here we are on the Harbor Freight website, and it's the regular price of that is $27.99. I got a coupon for this at $19.99, how I bought it a few months ago. And it can compare it to this Preferred Nation, which I never heard of. I don't know what that brand is. We're not going to go that all, but it says it saves 20% on that brand. And here is a few pictures of it. On reviews, let's check that out. I use it for camping, easy to set up, holds lots of stuff, packs away neatly, doesn't take up much space. And that's ideal for me rather than rolling that big log around. 96% feedback rating, 4.7, which is actually pretty good. Here's some more pictures. And one thing about too, if you're looking at reviews, the app is really hard to see the pictures of these. You have to actually go to the website and you can scroll through the pictures of the reviews on the Harbor Freight. They're really hard to see in the app. In the desktop version, they're right at the top, so you can click through those if you want to look at the picture of those. And Harbor Freight does carry, some camping stuff, a little bit, stakes, some chairs, hammock. And you will see a few camping reviews come through my channel because I do like to camp, and every once in a while, they're rare. I do got some camping still videos that are in my channel currently. And this comes in 2 colors. Comes in blue as well. All right, let's get back to it. All right, so 4 mesh cup holders, lightweight, 4 to 5 pounds, rug steel base, lower shelf for additional storage, water resistant, collapsible, which is kind of nice. All right, let's open this up. And this is how it comes when you go get it. It doesn't come in a box though, this is it here. So unzip it. Okay, we got our top. And we got our legs. It looks pretty simple to me. So just press down all these corners here. Then this is their top. That this folds out. And these here just go on like this. And that's it. Pretty simple and straightforward and very light. Can use for camping. I was using these things, which are stumps, and they're not really too portable. But this looks like it'll work pretty good. Up to 50 pounds. So obviously you don't want to stand or sit on it. And there's your second shelf. Pretty good for 19 bucks. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.